Are you a student looking for business ideas that you can start while study, whether you need extra income or want to build a future business? Here are profitable and flexible business ideas for students that require little to no investment. Number 1. Freelancing, such as writing, graphic design, video editing. If you have skills in writing, graphic design, or video editing, you can offer your services online. Many businesses and content creators are looking for freelancers to help with projects. How to get started? Create a profile on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Offer services like article writing, logo design, or social media content. They use Canva and CapCut for easy design and video editing. Promote your services on LinkedIn and Instagram. Number 2. Print-on-demand business. Sell custom-designed t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and phone cases without inventory using print-on-demand services like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printful. How to get started? Create unique designs using Canva or Photoshop, but upload them to print-on-demand platforms. Promote on social media and TikTok. R. Passive income as people buy your designs. Number 3. Social media management. Many small businesses struggle with managing their social media pages. If you're good at Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook marketing, you can manage accounts and create content for clients. How to get started? Offer your services to local businesses or entrepreneurs. Use tools like Canva, Buffer, and CapCut for content creation. Build a portfolio by managing your own social media page first. So, charge per post or on a monthly basis. Number 4. Online tutoring, study notes, selling. If you're great at a subject, help others by offering tutoring services or selling your class notes. Many students need extra help in subjects like math, science, or languages. How to get started? Offer tutoring on platforms like Chegg, Preply, or Wizant. Sell well. Organize study notes on platforms like Stuvia and Notesgen. Promote your services on student forums and social media. Offer group tutoring for higher earnings. Number 5. Affiliate marketing, blogging. If you enjoy writing or making videos, affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income. Share product reviews and earn commissions when people buy through your link. How to get started? Choose a niche: tech gadgets, fashion, books, gaming, etc. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or TikTok page. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates and ClickBank. Promote products through content and earn commissions. Final tip: pick a business idea that fits your skills and schedule. Even as a student, you can start small, earn money, and build your future business. Which business idea interests you the most? Comment below. Like, subscribe for more student business tips,